So let's talk about the most powerful and useful NLP libraries and packages in Python. Knowing when to use which package depends on what you're using it for. So we're going to give you a bit of a summary here. We'll start with scikit-learn, and this is the most powerful and famous machine learning library in Python. Another one is the Natural Language Toolkit, otherwise known as NLTK, and this is the complete toolkit for all NLP techniques. Now, we recommend NLTK only as an education and research tool. Its modularized structure makes it excellent for learning and exploring NLP concepts, but it's not meant for production. It's the most famous Python NLP library, and it's led to incredible breakthroughs in the field. It's also popular for education and research. On its own website, it claims to be an amazing library to play with natural language. The major drawback of NLTK is that it's heavy and slippery, and it has a steep learning curve. The second major weakness is that it's slow and not production ready. Next, let's talk about TextBlob. Now, TextBlob is built on top of NLTK, and it's more easily accessible. This is our favorite library for fast prototyping or building applications that don't require highly optimized performance. Beginners should start with this library. TextBlob makes text processing simple by providing an intuitive interface to NLTK. It's a welcome addition to an already solid lineup of Python NLP libraries because it has a gentle learning curve while boasting a surprising amount of functionality. We'll now talk about Stanford's Core NLP. It's a Java library with Python wrappers. It's in many existing production systems due to its speed. Stanford Core NLP is a suite of production-ready natural analysis tools. It includes part-of-speech tagging, entity recognition, pattern learning, parsing, and much more. Many organizations use Core NLP for production implementations. It's fast, accurate, and able to support several major languages. Next, we'll talk about Spacey. It's a new NLP library that's designed to be fast, streamlined, and production ready. It's not as widely adopted, but if you're building a new application, you should give it a try. Spacey is minimal and opinionated, and it doesn't flood you with options like NLTK does. Its philosophy is to only present one algorithm, the best one for each purpose. You don't have to make choices, and you can focus on being productive. Because it's built on Python, it's also lightning fast. Next, we'll discuss GenSim, and it's the most commonly used for topic modeling and similarity detection. It's not a general-purpose NLP library, but for the tasks it does handle, it does them well. GenSim is a well-optimized library for topic modeling and document similarity analysis. Among the Python NLP libraries that we've talked about, it's the most specialized. Its topic modeling algorithms, such as the LDA implementation, are best in class. In addition, it's robust, efficient, and scalable. And finally, we're going to talk about fast text. It's mainly used for applying deep learning techniques to NLP problems. Fast text combines some of the most successful concepts introduced by the natural language processing and machine learning communities in the last few decades. These include representing sentences with bag of words and bag of n-grams, as well as using subword information and sharing information across classes through a hidden representation. It also employs a hierarchical softmax that takes advantage of the unbalanced distribution of the classes to speed up computation. These different concepts are being used for two different tasks: efficient text classification and learning word vector